1960 Bentley S2 Continental Sport Saloon by James Young. Price, $195,000. Location, Virginia. Introducing a truly rare and elegant piece of British automotive history. The 1960 Bentley S2 Continental Sport Saloon with left-hand drive. Masterfully crafted by the renowned coach builder James Young. Finished in a striking two-tone combination of silver over dark red. This luxury classic immediately stands out with its graceful lines and commanding presence. The exterior design reflects timeless sophistication, while the rich dark red leather interior, paired with beautiful Burlwood trim, creates a warm and opulent driving environment. What makes this Bentley exceptionally special is its rarity. This particular model is one of only 6 left-hand drive S2 Continental units ever produced by James Young. Such exclusivity places it among the most collectible post-war Bentleys in existence. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, owning a car like this is not just about driving, it's about preserving a significant chapter in automotive craftsmanship and heritage. Under the hood, this Bentley is powered by a refined V8 engine equipped with dual carburetors, delivering smooth and effortless performance. Paired with an automatic transmission, the car offers a relaxed yet powerful driving experience, true to Bentley's reputation for combining performance with luxury. Additional exterior features such as Lucas fog and tail lamps, chrome detailing, and 15-inch steel wheels wrapped in Michelin tires further enhance its authentic classic appeal. Step inside, and you are welcomed by a cabin that perfectly balances comfort and vintage charm. The car is equipped with both bucket and bench seating, air conditioning for modern comfort, dual side mirrors, an analog clock, and a classic Blaupunkt AM/FM radio. The 3-spoke steering wheel and Smith's instrumentation provide an immersive, old-world driving feel that transports you back to a golden era of motoring. Beyond its beauty and performance, this Bentley also boasts an impressive maintenance history, accompanied by service records totaling over $47,000. Covering 2 decades from 2003 to 2023. This car has clearly been maintained with great care and attention. These records reflect a strong commitment to preserving both its mechanical reliability and aesthetic excellence. Having spent the last 20 years in the prestigious automotive scene of Beverly Hills, California, this Bentley has been part of an environment known for housing some of the world's most desirable classic cars. Its long-term presence there further highlights its status and desirability among collectors. In conclusion, this 1960 Bentley S2 Continental Sport Saloon is more than just a classic car. It is a rare work of art, combining exclusivity, elegance, and a rich history. It offers a unique opportunity for anyone looking to own a truly remarkable and investment-worthy automobile.